Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to a new video on Pepe. Wanted to do an update because, well, for two reasons. Yesterday it was actually, well, at least I heard that it was showing a lot of bullish momentum, and I also saw it myself. I saw some numbers for Pepe that were great. In like a 1 hour gain that was very good, but in the end not a lot has been going on right now. But apart from that, a lot of you have been asking me down in the comments to make a Pepe update, so here it is. These are my thoughts. I'll tell you what's going on, I'll tell you what I expect, and just in general, hopefully everything you need to know. All right, so let's get right into it. So a little bit more about yesterday. So yesterday what happened is, I think Pepe, like if you look at this, it got this bullish move right here, which was a move of about 7%, which in the weekend is quite big. But if you look at the market structure for Pepe right now, which is very neutral, the EMAs are practically flat here. So Pepe is practically consolidating between 12,500 and then here, well, let's say 10,250. All right, so let me quickly put that on the chart. This is the main support, and the main resistance level is already indicated on the chart right here. So purely technically, Pepe is neutral. It's neither bullish nor bearish, at least on the 4 hour time frame. Maybe there's some trends going on the 1 hour, but that doesn't matter that much to me. So, and what you also saw yesterday is that the open interest for Pepe has been quite bullish, and that is interesting, right? Because the open interest since Wednesday has gone up from 66 to 92 million. So that's an increase of about 50%, a little bit less, but that's quite high. Even though it took multiple days to get there, it still is quite high. So that gives me the, I do think that it's possible for Pepe to be bullish again, especially if Bitcoin becomes bullish, which is a little bit more difficult, I would say, but it's definitely not impossible. But for now, I actually do expect that Pepe will, see, even if it's in a consolidation, more bullish momentum is expected, because the top of that consolidation is 12,250 and 12,750, kind of that area. So that is what I expect in either way. And then the big question is can Pepe break above that, right? Because what we would want to see is that Pepe breaks above that, because that's a major bullish breakout, and then Pepe will rally, all right? It will rally up to, well, potentially, probably first 13,500, but potentially all the way up to 14,500. So that is what we want to see. And the answer to your question about whether that's a possibility is I don't know. It depends on how much open interest and volume Pepe has then. All right, so now, for example, if you look at CoinMarketCap, you'll see that Pepe has a volume of about 70 million. The last time it tried to get up to those levels, or it got up to those levels, the volume was over 400 million. So I would say the volume right now is way too low. The volume needs to be at least above 200 million to break above that. So at this moment, I would say it's most likely that, sure, it will get up there, but then it will respect that and drop back down in this consolidation. All right? That just seems most likely at this moment. Now, it's up to you to keep an eye on the volume. And if you see the volume increasing rapidly while Pepe is getting to that level, all right, then it's a possibility. Then Pepe could break out. But that's not the situation right now. And I'm reporting on the current situation, and the current situation is a strong technical range, strong technical consolidation, and sure, some momentum for Pepe, but for now that only seems to be momentum to get to the top of the range and then fall back down to the bottom of the range, respecting the market structure. All right, so those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions about anything I said, let me know down in the comments, and I'll try to get back to you. But for now, those are my thoughts. So thank you for watching. Take care. Have a great rest of your Sunday and weekend. And lastly, if you do have, if you are interested in trading signals or my premium group, both very valuable, links to that will be down in the description or the pinned comment. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.